Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing some gel polishes, but let's get right into this. Now you do need the top coat and the bottom coat in order to apply these. These are just like the colors that you'll apply. Let me go ahead and show you all the colors that come in here. They actually have a red set that I want to review as well. So it has number 61, which is like a purple shade. It's a very light lavender shade. This is number 110, and it looks like it's going to be glitter. Ooh, very pretty, like a very chunky glitter. I'm just going to be applying it on their nails. This is number 56. It's like almost like a deep purple, like almost like a black. It's so just a really deep purple. And then it has number 34, which is just like your average purple color. Not too dark, not too light. Just a really nice purple shade. Number 109, which looks like it's going to be a light, ooh, almost like a frosty purple. It looks like it's going to look like very frosty. So not really chunky glitter. And then we have one more shade, and it's number 33, which is a pretty much just a average lavender. So it's not as light as that first shade that I showed you guys. It's a little darker than that, which is nice. But let's go ahead and see what they look like on my daughter's nails. Okay, so this is how her nails turned out. Let me see the other one. They're very nice. I like them. What do you think? You like them?
Yeah.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.